Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and I did this the other day, and I think I did a pretty good job of doing it. And somebody commented on the video, and they're 100% right. This one has a black background, so we're going to try something a little different. What he suggested, I guess I'm going to just open this up again, so I'm going to ungroup it. And I'm going to nudge this out of the way and nudge this out of the way so I can get a true color on both of them. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I've already got that gold set. I've already got the blue set. But if you didn't, you would just go to your eyedropper tool and take a sample of that and then set it. Now we're going to take away the outline. Well, basically we have to nudge that over and get rid of that outline. And then nudge this back over. Nudge this up and get rid of it. Well, we don't have to get rid of it. We don't really want those outlines. I'm going to keep them just in case I mess up. And then he suggested the order and put the yellow one on the front of the page and put the blue one at the back and the green in the middle. So this is about what I got. But then I'm going to take a black rectangle and I'm going to fill it in with black, and then I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to go to Order. I'm going to go back a page. Now what we need to do is select these three colors. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, go to the Transparency tool, Docker, and then he suggested 30%, so I'm going to use 30%. Now, it made all the colors a little darker because it's blending with the black background, but it does give you a blend. I'm just wondering if we can't do that without the black background and see what it looks like. And you get a transparency, so the colors are a little less dark. So we're trying to duplicate this. So I think my way might be the best way, but I just thought I'd show that because if we're going to do that, we should also make these three a little bit transparent. Type in 30, and you could try different factors on that. But that is pretty cool. It is more or less what he was asking for. You know, the blue and the green mix, and the yellow and the gold and the green mix, and it makes that color, or somewhat. But anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. I thank that viewer for giving us a suggestion. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.